Hey guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and I'm hoping this mic actually works this time for this review. So, review time. Now you would have seen reels, stories, video on Instagram, Facebook, and probably YouTube. Now this is going to be the unboxing for this torch, and this EDC torch is actually on sale at the moment. Now I don't have an end date. It has a link. I'll be putting it in the description. I'll also put it on my website. So you just go to the Olight section of the sponsors. Now, one thing I will tell you, this is an affiliate link. So Olight and I are partners, and we give you guys between 10 to 15% off. So normal time, you just use Destination 10 and you'll get 10% off. Now this one comes with a 15% discount, so it goes from $154.95 down to $131.71. I'm pretty sure you still got to do postage, but yeah, it's still a good discount, 15%. So let's get into the unboxing, right? This is classic of an Olight. It looks like something you'd get from maybe your Android or your Apple phone, whatever they're called, iPhones. You always got your little yellow pouch. Now, if I can get this out, always gets trapped in there. Nice packaging, protected, as you can see. I'm running a GoPro as well as the Canon. Now, what else do you do? You've got your warnings, user manual, charging cable. It is a USB, which has a magnetic end, like most classic Olights. Unless you've got the Seeker Pro, which actually has a slot and it just magnetically presses, which can be put on your belt too. Now, I've got the green one. Now look at that. This looks unreal. And as I said about the magnet, it's pretty solid too. It can actually take its own weight. With that, the weight is 111 grams. Now it is aluminium. It has a dual purpose clip. So you can actually put it on your hat like that or like that, or you can have it on your belt or in a pocket. Now this is a slimline torch. So it's designed as an EDC, which is an everyday carry, which a lot of the Americans like doing. They like using EDCs. Now a lot of people use the EDC knives, pocket knives and torches. I wouldn't use a knife, but this could be used as an everyday carry. Now this thing here is the Pro model. Now it has 3 different modes. You've got a metal dial, okay, that you can go from torch, which is 1300 looms. So it's one of the first ones to get to 1300 looms of white light. So you get white light coming out of one. You go into the center knob, so just there, the center one. The center one is a green laser for this one, but you also have a white laser, and I think it's different colors for the different models, so black and orange. So with that, you can get this is the OD green, you can get the black, or you can get the orange. The orange looks pretty cool, and it would be good if it was orange, it could be used as if you're losing or something like that, or if you're out. It's a bright color, you can see it easy. Now, the blue, it also comes with a blue light. Now, blue lights are awesome. I'll turn it on. It probably won't work, but it can pick up, it picks up dust, it picks up sweat and things like that, but it also picks up, it's good for if you need to find your cat's urinated or a dog's urinated through the house. You can flick this onto blue light and go around. So black light, yeah, black light, not blue light. Put it on black light and go around, and you can see if your pets have decided to wet the floors. So anyway, max run time on these things is 11 days. On all torches of the Olight family, you get a moon mode. So what you do is you hold it down, and then your light will turn on if you've got it in the light mode, not in the laser mode. So as you can see, it goes through. So if you just hold it down, it'll be in a moonlight mode, and that will last 11 days. The battery that they actually installed into it is a 1500 milliamp lithium battery. Now it is a solid piece of kit. there is no, you can't unscrew anything apart from the caps, the belt clip. You could probably take that off to replace it if you snap it. But otherwise, it's a complete sealed unit. It has a 5 indicator battery. It's got 4 little notches, so when it gets down to the bottom, it will start flashing and it'll turn off. Now, with the laser, it is a class 1 laser, so it's pretty safe, but don't shine it in people's eyes. The ArcField Pro comes in 3 different colors. It comes in the OG green, it comes in black, and it also comes in orange. Orange would be good if you misplace things because it is a bright color and you should be able to find it pretty easy if you do lose it. The aluminium finish actually built really well. It has this magnetic side, so you can actually use this as a tool. You can, if you have a breakdown or anything like that, you can magnetize it to your bonnet, or anywhere that there's a steel surface, you can actually put it there, but that's stainless steel. That's a Yeti cup, they won't have. The dial feels great. I'll actually put it here. It feels extremely well made. Anyway, so the main features being this one has its 3 light sources. So both your black light, your green laser, and your white light. Again, 1300 lums for a white light, that's pretty bright. The laser for a pointer, or if you're playing with pets or things like that, or a game, just don't show it in the eyes or at any aircraft, especially military ones. I'm not endorsing that. And you've got your black light, which you can pick up things that are not visible by the naked eye. So it can pick up dust, it can pick up, I know where everybody's going, and like pull your head out of the pants, but I guarantee that would probably work. Anyway, so it's good if you have pets and you just want to double check around the floor to see if there's any pee or anything like that. You'll be able to detect it with this black light. I will be giving it more of a test in the coming days or in the coming weeks. Now, I'll probably be using this for when I'm doing the Pajero build, because sometimes I need to get in the engine bay or underneath the car, and depending on when I'm working on the car is depending on when I'm going to be using it. But because that has that magnetic feature, I can place it anywhere where there is steel and have it all directed the light specifically to where I want it to go. The sale for this has started. It is usually $154.95. If you use the code that's in the description or on our website, it will have 15% off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, throw a like down there. Let us know if you've used any of the Olights or if you've used this one here. It is new and they're going to be pushing this all year. That 15% does not have an end date yet, so I can see that pretty much going the whole way through the year. For Olight's quality, we have gone mental. We don't just get Olight products for free. We actually spend, like even just for Christmas, we spent over $500 on Olight equipment for presents, for camping, which I can't wait because the camping we've got all Olights. So from the lanterns, the mini lanterns, to the UFO, the one that goes on the pole, we can't wait to test it all out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Put a comment whether you have a Olight or an ArcField Pro, and let us know what you like about it, what you don't like about it, what you don't like about this video, whether I talk too much or I mumble. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button, comment, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because a lot of the time, a lot of my viewers that I watch these videos are not subscribed. So please, if you do like these videos, subscribe, it helps us out. Enjoy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Oh, and make your own destination.